Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem decode ways. A message containing letters from A to G is being encoded to numbers using the following mapping: A to 1, V to 2 and so on, and G to 26. Given a non-empty string containing only digits, determine the total number of ways to decode it. The answer is guaranteed to fit in 32-bit integer. So, for example, if we have number 12, then how many different ways we can decode it? So, we can decode like this as a one character which is maps to A, and this 2 can be mapped to B. So, one way is like decode both of them is a single digit. So, this will become AB, and another way is like just treat it as a 12 which is corresponding to the L character L. So, there are only two ways we can decode this message number digit into the characters of a string by using this mapping. So, for this example 2 to 6, so let us understand over here, if we have 2 to 6, so how many different ways we can decode it. So, first way like just take 2 and then 2 6, another way like treat 22 as a 1 and then keep 6. So, this is the way, but we can't take 3 together because this crossing 26. So, till maximum our character is like A to G is needs to be mapped between the number like less than or equals to 26 and greater than or equals to 1. So, this is the way. So, it should be a less than or equals to 26. So, hence we can't take 2 to 6 together. So, now further we can divide this as a 2 and 2 and 6 and 26 itself. So, another way is 2 and 26 itself, and here we cannot divide anything further because we already did. So, this is the last approach which is 22 and 6. So, hence we can decode this 2 to 6 in 3 different string, like this will map to B, this will again map to B, this will map to F, and this will map to B, and this will map to G. 26 is corresponding to G, and here 22 corresponding to V, and this is corresponding to F. So, these are the 3 different ways we can decode 2 to 6. So, let us take another example. If we take let us say this year which is 2020 and start decoding. So, if I take one like first 2 here and then keep 0 to 0, and here another approach is like take 20 together and keep 20 another way. So, now if you see further we got 0 and 0 do not have any mapping, we have only mapping from 1 to 26, hence this is not further continue because we can't get the solution, we can't decode by following like first 2 as a 1 and then continue, but from here we can continue it, then from here we can again choice 2 like 1 is 20 we already cut first, then 2 and keep 0 as it is, another is way is like 20 is 2 separate characters. So, this will map to some character, and here again 0 which is not further go, we can't get any mapping. So, hence this is roots will not return us answer. So, with 2020 we can only map to one way which is this like 2 character corresponding to the number 2020. So, this is the approach, this is the basic idea. So, let us see how we can solve this. So, let us another example next year which is 2021. So, what we will do, we will keep a index pointer starting from 0 for the string, and then we will, if we take 1 we will increase the index and this will become like 2, we are selecting 2 and index we increase to 1 which is index I equals to 1, and another case we take 2020. So, here this will become 20 first and then index I become 2 as we are taking 2, and we can take 2 character only when the substring from I to I plus 2, from I to I plus 2 the number the substring is less than or equals to 26, then we can only go in further. Similarly, we will continue like the recursion tree, and here this will not go answer because 0 we found 0, but this will continue go here. So, after 20 we can take like 20 then 2 and I will become here 3 and here the I will become 4. So, 20 and 21 and I is become 4. So, when I reach to the length of the greater or than or equal to length of our string, which means we have to terminate, and we found the one way. So, this is the one way. This will further go one more step which is like 20 is one character, 2 is one character and 1 is another character. So, this So 2021 can be decoded in a two different ways. So this is how we will solve. Now let's find out the what are the base cases. So if our I is greater than or equals to length of our string, if length of our initial string, which means we process all the strings, so we will have one way, we will return 1 over here. And if we encounter at any place like character in our string at ith index is 0 character, which means this character we can't map to any valid character, so any valid A to G, so we have to return over here 0. So this is the two base cases we have to follow. So pause the video and try to implement code yourself. So let's quickly implement the code. First we will implement the recursive code and then see the number of repeated problems. So for recursion we will return helper method. So pass s and initialize I from 0. So now in helper method we will return an integer again, and this will be a helper method which will get the string s and the integer I, which is index representing till what we are processing our string. So first base case, if I is greater than, if I cross the length s dot length, if it is, in that case we will just return 0 because we are able to decode that string. And another base case is if s dot caret I is 0, we found 0, then we will return 0. Actually here we have to return 1, we found the one way, here there is no way to convert it into it. Otherwise what we need to do, we need to calculate the total ways. So we will return, so we will get in ways. So initial, let's take the one character first. So if we take the first character, this will be called helper method s comma I plus 1. And in case of taking two character, we also need to check whether it is satisfying this condition or not. So we will first take if integer, so we will convert this integer dot parse int, if integer dot parse int of s dot substring from I to I plus 2. So we are just taking two character. If it is less than or equals to 26, if it is less than or equals to 26, then only update ways with the second call, like ways plus equals the helper of s comma I plus 2. So that is way in the end we will just return the number of ways. So this is how we are able to decoding. So let's compile the code first and see if it is compiling and we are getting correct answer for small test cases. So there is a index bound exception begin I and 3. So here we also need, as you can see, we are checking two character ahead. So we also need to check this, like here I plus 1 should be length less than or equals to s dot length, then only we can cut the swap string. So this is the condition we need to put as well. So now it should work. So it is working and we are getting correct answer. So let's try to run the custom test cases, like 2020 we should get one way only, 2021 we should get two way, and 21 this will give us more ways, like 5 ways rough. So if we compile it and it is working as expected, but if we submit this, this will give us timeout. Why? So let's understand the over here. If you see for I, so let's take a bigger example. So for the bigger example, if we take this, let's say 21. So initially I is 0, our I is 0. So I am just pointing I as like I will become here 1, and here I will become 2, and here further this I will become 2, and here I will become 3. So I am just writing the index pointers, and here we will get I is 3. So if you clearly see, so I equals to 2, this is the one sub problem, and here also it got repeated sub problem. Similarly I equals to 3 is a repeated sub problem here. So we have lots of repeated sub problem. So we can apply dynamic programming and cache these repeated sub problem solutions. So for caching we can do like use this map of integer comma integer. We will cache the solution of the already calculated sub problems and then reuse if we encounter them again. So here this is the case. Now another condition we will add, if map dot contains solution of the sub problem, if contains key for the I, then we will return map dot get whatever number of ways we found the for I. Otherwise, we will add map dot put number of ways for this I and the ways, and in the end we will just return the ways. So, that is what. So, let us try to compile it and see if it is working as well. There is a contains typo here. This should be contains. So, as you can see, it is working. Now, we can submit this and see. So, there is still a way. The problem is we are not returning. I like most of the time forget this, like return from here, and that's if you are not returning here, then it is same as the recursion solution now. So, it is got accepted. So, the time complexity of this solution, as you can see, we are just processing the string once. So, which is O of n. So, the time complexity of this solution is O of n, and space complexity is also O of n, and same O space complexity. So, you can also change this code, like instead of map you can also use a integer array. So, you just need to change over here, and you can pass that integer array in method call itself, new integer of the length size is s dot whatever length of our string. So, this is like, and here we will accept that capital integer. So, the reason being using capital integer array, I do not have to initially pre-fill it, and later I can just check here as a null. If it is not null, then we will return. So, dp of I if not null. So, this is the benefit for using the object integer array here, and we will return over here dp of I. So, this is the, and here we just instead like we can assign and return both together here. So, in case of integer array, so dp of base. So, this is, so it should work here. Let us compile it again, and it is so. So, we have to update the method call as well. Do not forget this thing. I used to do this mistake again. So, this should work now. So, we can also solve this problem in a bottom up approach, and so there is still some start service string. No suitable method for no service string. So, the problem is I added at the wrong place. It should not be here, it should be here, and it should work now. I hope there will be no typo and all, it working, and we can submit. So, here like I have already written down the bottom up approach solution. You can write yourself, it is very easy. So, in case of bottom up, we just check the first basic condition and then initialize array dp of over here, and if there is, if a string is empty, like if there is no character, then we found the one way, which is, that is why we filled dp of 0 is 1, and dp of 1 will be depend on the character. If character in each, the first character itself 0, then there is no way at all, we can't process. So, hence 0, otherwise the 1 we will try. Then we will process this from I equals to 2 and go up to the dp length, and here we will update, like if character not equals to 0, then dp of I will be dp of I add with the dp of I minus 1, and then for this is for like taking single character first, single digit, and this here we will take the 2 digit and compare the 2 digit if it is lies between 10 to 26. Actually, this 10 is not needed. If you do with 26 also works, and update it and do for till the length of the array, length of the string, and then in the end we will get the answer in number of ways in our at index n. We will return this dp of s dot length. So, this is the solution. If you like the solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you notice further, like here our dp is depend only I minus 1 and I minus 2, like 2 previous values. So, you can also optimize this further, like by removing this big space, you just use the 3 variables and solve this like Fibonacci we used to do. So, try it out, and if you face any problem, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.